Okay, we'll be working online for the next coming weeks. We're going to be using Bricks Biology. We've used that in the past. How do we get there? Just remind you again, is opening SOMToDay. We're going to Leermiddelen, and then down along the Leermiddelen, you probably down at the bottom, you'll see Bricks Biology. You click on Bricks Biology and it will open the page and it will look like this. So you get this page. You're going to choose Bricks Biology. And now the next thing you have to do is choose the chapter that you want. And we're working on chapter 7. So we go to lesson materials. We have 2 Favio. That's this one here. And then we see the list of chapters. We want chapter 7, evolution. We click on there. And then we have the different sub-chapters. We're working on the first one, 7.1, how it all began. We actually did that before. We're going to review that. And I think I have homework for that. So these tabs have all the text that you will find in the book. So you can either read the book or read this text here. I gave you 2 lessons to do this, I believe. You can read this carefully, and then we go to the questions. So we have questions 1 to 18. I think I gave you 2 lessons to work on them. Here's an example. We choose question 3. Here are photos of 3 Darwin finches. Choose for each bird one of the descriptions. So we look at this bird here. It's got a big beak. It's very wide. So obviously it's very strong. It needs that kind of bill to eat big seeds. So what do we have? Feeds on large seeds. Very good. I think it's because he's got a big beak. Has big beak. This one, you see, it's a little smaller, pointier, so the seeds are smaller. He can probably get into things where the seeds are. So I would choose feeds on soft seeds and some small insects. Yeah. And this one here is actually not a finch, it's a thrasher. We call it a thrasher. I don't know why they called it in this book a finch. So you see the bill is very long. It's got these tails. It's totally not a finch at all. So it's the thrush family. We have them here also. So they're probably omnivorous because they have these long bills here, so small insects and that. That's it. So if we work through these, let me know when you finish. I'll be checking the activity, and if you finish, I'm going to turn on the answers so you can go back and check your answers. That is working with Bricks Biology. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.